Guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete a saved location on the Waze app. If you have an old address or place saved that you no longer need, you can easily remove in just a few steps. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main screen, tap the menu icon, then select Save Places. Here, you'll see a list of the locations you have saved in your Waze account. Find the saved location you want to delete, then tap the three dots next to it. From the options that appear, select Remove or Delete. If Waze asks you to confirm, tap Remove again to complete the process. The saved location will now be deleted from your list. You can repeat these steps anytime you want to remove other saved places from your Waze app. And that's how to delete a saved location on the Waze app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other helpful tutorials.